Hey man, after almost a whole month of waiting to get these bad boys, we finally got them in. One of my most anticipated, highly anticipated sneaker releases of 2023 is finally here today. We're gonna break these things down, show y'all what we got, and you guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know after you see the sneaker if you were able to get lucky to go ahead and add these things to your sneaker collection, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know we come with you guys with some content, you know what I'm saying? Gotta show y'all some kicks, bro. Gotta show y'all some heat. These right here, like I said, super fire. Went under the radar for a lot of people, I would say, in the beginning, and then after release, it was a lot of people that was changing that energy up, you know what I'm saying, wanting to add these to the collection, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, man, right now what I need you to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. I need everybody to hit that like, bro. Y'all want me to beg out for a like, man? Go ahead and hit that like button right now for your boy. It's free 99, and it helps the channel grow. So everybody, we're gonna take a second, and we're gonna wait for y'all to hit that like button, man. All right, man, so here we have the sneakers, bro. I almost forgot the knife, bro. We gotta grab the knife real quick, man. The Rambo knife. You guys know how we get when we get the Rambo knife. You know we got some heat in the package. We ain't gonna do too much talking because I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of talking on the sneaker itself. So let's go ahead and get right into the box, bro. You know what I'm saying? They got the heavy duty tape on these things. Make sure they came here pristine condition. Hopefully my box didn't come crumble like my Air Jordan 1 Palominos. Crazy story. But these right here seem like they're intact. Let's go ahead and pop this box open, bro. Let's pop the top open, bro. Once I show y'all the color of the box, y'all gonna know exactly what we have in, bro. Y'all gonna know exactly what we got in, bro. So let's go ahead and pull these things out, bro. Let's pull them out, man, and show y'all, bro. And bam, bro, check it out, man. Y'all see, bro. Y'all see that all over like teal, navy bluish box right here. And if you look real close, bro, if you look real close, you see nothing but the A's all over it. Meaning this is a Mama Year drop, bro. You guys can see by the official size label, size tag. I'm gonna read that thing off for you guys real quick. Women's Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, Photon Dust in black, man. I got these in the size 10.5 in women's, which is a size 9 in men. And I probably did that on feet of the other pair. I said, y'all wish I went up to a size 9.5. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. So let's go ahead and flip the top open, bro. Y'all see, bro. Y'all see what we got, man. We got some heat in today, bro. We got some heat in today. Go ahead and throw that lid over there. Super excited to see these things. Y'all see the A's all over the tissue paper. And it ain't no spoiler no more, bro. Y'all know this is the Mama Year Air Jordan 5, man. So let's go ahead and peel these things open, man. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them beauties out. Y'all see them, bro. We got the Air Jordan 5 Mama Year Photon Dust. And now I see what everybody is talking about. They said these ain't white, bro. They said these are not white. It's like a grayish color to a grayish tint to the upper of these Air Jordan 5 Mama Years. Let's go ahead and peel both of the sneakers out of the box. And I told y'all, hopefully my box didn't come all damaged. But just looking at them right now, let me go ahead and put these right here. Let me put that right there, bro. Let me show y'all my box, bro. They damaged the box all types of crazy, man. Like, it's crazy damage right there, bro. Y'all see that, man? It is what it is. We ain't wearing a box, we wearing the sneakers, bro. And here you guys have them, bro. These things are cold, man. These is cold, bro. Check them out, man. Air Jordan 5 Mama Years is not likely for your boy to hit a manual W on Mama Year's website, but it seems like lately with their bot protection and everything like that, they've been pretty consistent as far as giving us actual manual users to get a pair of sneakers. They cancel out them bots. It has been working. I hit on these guys right here for retail, feeling real good, bro. Look at them, bro. Got the 2-3 on the side, bruh. The huge Nike Air on the back. And it's, you know, sort of similar to the black pair, but on these, it's like a grayish tint to it. I thought they were white That's why I tell y'all, man, the pictures don't do shoes justice half the time. Cause I thought these was white the whole time, bruh. And it turns out these are like a grayish color, bruh. It's like all gray on the upper with your black and like navy bluish 2-3 and Nike Air on the back right there, bro. I like them, bro. These things cold, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. Again, I feel like I did my top 10 pickups, which are on the like shells right there. I feel like I did a little bit prematurely, bro. I feel like I pulled the trigger a little too early. You guys might see me do like a top 20 or something, because I gotta, you know, highlight some of them notable sneaker pickups that I added to the collection this year in 2023. Hey, y'all know I couldn't get much further without showing you guys the Dusk pair, the Dusk Air Jordan 5 A Ma Manières, all black on the upper. Of course, you got your Nike Air on the back, 2-3, all the same stuff. But on here, you got a burgundy crush colorway, which kind of matches the Air Jordan 12 A Ma Manière that they dropped. And these right here, they did something totally different. I'm not used to seeing this color blocking. Like, it's a grayish. You got that you know, yellowish on the netting. You have the yellow outsoles, bruh, which are the same as the black pair. It's actually a little bit lighter now that I'm looking at it now. But overall, bruh, definitely hits totally different in person. It hits totally different in hand. And I'm liking these things a lot, bro. You got some extra laces with these. You got some yellow joints right here, or something like a cream color, and you have the white laces right here, and they come equipped in the same color, the upper, like this grayish light. I don't even know what color this is. It's not white. It ain't gray all the way, but it's like in between, if that makes sense. You got the same laces, lace lock, all that good stuff. And this is the one with the Jumpman on the tongue. See if we can get that to focus right there. And then checking out the left pair, of course, you have your A Ma Manière logo right here, as you can see. But yeah, man, all in all, again, super excited to have them, bro. We got the entire pack between the Dusk and the Dons, bro. And I feel like still, bro, and I even told y'all this when I did the On Feet when they dropped, bro. I said these are still my favorite, bro. Just all black, you cannot go wrong with it. The nice accents of the Asian on the black looks perfect. But nonetheless, bro, definitely, nonetheless, this is still a clean Air Jordan 5 A Ma Manière colorway. They did great craftsmanship. I gotta take my hat out to A Ma Manière, bro. I am hearing that we will be getting an A Ma Manière Air Jordan 4. Just rumors right now, but I'm pretty sure we will see another Air Jordan 4 A Ma Manière. You know what I'm saying? The first one they did drop, super crazy. Got to get them things in the collection. And of course, man, the 3s is probably the best out of all of them. I've seen them in hand before. I said, bro, I don't know why I still don't have them, but that resale price is crazy. Crazy on an A Ma Manière Air Jordan 3, man. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you do have these in the collection. Did you secure them? Did you get lucky? Did you hit on the EQL raffle? I know the homie D Got Juice hit on that EQL raffle and they canceled his order or something. I think FedEx actually stole the sneakers or something, man. That final boss is crazy. Sorry to hit out for the homie, but I'm pretty sure him, bro, he get everything. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a pair of A Ma Manière Dons in the collection very, very soon. So go ahead and comment all your thoughts and opinions over these joints. Were these worthy enough to enter your collection? Did you spend that $250 on these things? They're like $225 retail and like $20 shipping, bro. But these did drop on the sneakers app as well. So let me know if you copped them, if you added them, bro. I'm liking them, I'm digging them, and I cannot wait to get some fits out of these A Ma Manière Air Jordan 5s we got right here, man. And be sure to hit you guys some B-roll, man. But before we even end the video, I need everybody to leave a huge like. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you did secure a pair of the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. I literally just checked my Foot Locker app and I did secure my size 9.5. I keep giving y'all this hint, bruh. We will be giving away a pair very soon live on YouTube. So make sure that notification bells hit. Y'all keep coming, hitting that like button. And of course, dropping some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about whatever video topic we talking about, man. Subscribe to the channel. Again, hit the notification bell. Leave a huge like. Thanks for tuning into today's video. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.